All right. What we got here is some kind of board and another kind of board and then that kind of board, I guess. I don't know. Seen some gold pins and connectors. That's good. There's some HDMI shit that has gold connectors. USB things look like they have gold connectors. Of course, the Ethernet ports, gold pins in them. This one's got MLCCs on it. Looks like a little bit of gold plating. And I guess there's a nice high quality processor in a lot of these. Bunch of MLCCs, some small integrated circuits, not much if any gold plating on the back. That might just be copper. Huh. Never seen anything like that before. It almost looks like what would be gold plating. Or maybe the gold plating that is there is so thin that the green below it shines through. Actually, I'm looking at the monitor and it looks much more gold on there than it does looking at it through all the different light that's coming through here. Again, if I haven't mentioned it in a while, all this stuff is Mac Turnups hookups. He does scrapping and haulaways and stuff, so he's always coming into possession of stuff. So I thank him for that. Say hi, Mac.
Hi, Mac.
I was just telling everyone how awesome it is that you get me this stuff.
Thanks.
I'm not sure if this is... I think it's steel, but it might be aluminum. Oh, yeah. It is not aluminum. Yeah, I suspected. Sometimes these whole things are... sometimes they're steel and sometimes they're aluminum, from what I understand. Mother of the fluff. Okay. Oh, I see. Looks like those gold fingerboards are right here. Right behind this. So... looks like I gotta take this frame apart. This out of the way. There goes my screwdriver. Come on, give me your fingerboards. Want $2.
I want my $2!
There we go. There they are.
Yep.
Oh, looks like we do have a nice piece, a couple nice pieces of aluminum. Yep. 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 It's got all these little chips running across there. I'm not sure what those are for. If there's anything in those. Can I just pull that off? Sure what that is. That doesn't look like much, but I'll stash it away anyway. Oh, I don't even think I'm gonna bother with these wires there. Are these gonna be, oh okay, those will just slide right out. from the other side. So my curiosity kind of paid off. There we go.